Hey everybody, it is Matty here with Altcoin Buzz with you on this Monday. Happy Labor Day to those such as myself that are celebrating. Hope you're having a good one. And today we're talking about Bitcoin price in relation to Bakkt and its launch of its warehouse services this month. That's coming up in just a few days, as well as, of course, its Bitcoin futures services, which is coming out on the 23rd of September. We'll have a look at that by way of Cointelegraph.com and here on blockonomy.com. Institution looks to create $1 billion in crypto venture, bullish for Bitcoin. We're also going to take a look at the Enjin project, our friends over at Enjin, and the Enjin token ENJ has been soaring. Altcoin Buzz knows exactly why. We'll let you know where that sits exactly on CoinGecko.com. We're also looking here, courtesy of Twitter, at what Coinspace is tweeting out and some more Enjin news here. Once we follow that link to Coinspace.com, we also have news in the way of Crypto.com. They have achieved something big in terms of certification. We'll let you know what that is, and we're not going to get into this article, but we're going to do a follow-up and point you in the direction to what we were discussing yesterday with Telegram's GRAM, their Gram token, which is beating Facebook's Libra to the punch. But let's begin things today with a look at the markets on CoinGecko.com. We are up a little bit since yesterday, up 2.2%, so that makes 254 billion total market cap. Bitcoin still below $10,000, below that crucial support. We are sitting currently at $9,845. The question must therefore be asked on Cointelegraph.com. Will Bakkt's launch this month take Bitcoin to new highs? Some people seem to think that is the case. Others seem to think it's really irrelevant. Let us know, of course, where you line up below. But either way, it's big news. And Bakkt has been approved. Starting on September 6th, clients will be able to deposit their funds into the Bakkt warehouse in anticipation of trading beginning on September 23rd. It's potentially a big deal because now you have institutional investors that can actually trade Bitcoin on Bakkt. So a key difference, as the article points out, between the CBOE and CME future products and Bakkt is that the futures contract through Bakkt is settled in Bitcoin, not in cash. This will be significant as it means that clients who trade that product will receive actual Bitcoin in their accounts upon settlement instead of dollars in their accounts. We do have a couple of promising indicators ahead of all this Bakkt activity in September. For one thing, the volatility with the Bitcoin US dollar pairing seems to be dropping off. We also have hash rates that are hitting all-time highs. More and more people are getting into the game, and therefore the difficulty along with the processing power used to mine Bitcoin both keep rising in tandem. Of course, those are correlated statistics, so that's a good thing to see. Consolidation is continuing, but a large move is on the horizon, and if you want to learn about both the bullish and the bearish scenarios, you can take a look at what this author suggests those both are. But certainly institutions are paying attention, and here on blockonomy.com, institution looks to create $1 billion crypto venture, bullish for Bitcoin. So Michael Novogratz of Galaxy Digital recently told Bloomberg that institutions are getting ready to enter the game, and outlets have reported that Elmwood Asset Management, an institution that manages British billionaire investor Alan Howard, is looking to launch a crypto venture worth about $1 billion. And before we get any further into this article, I know what you may be thinking. $1 billion? I mean, we just rose $5-6 billion, whatever it was, since the last video we recorded. So $1 billion is not really all that much in the world of cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, given the fluctuations and volatility that we're used to. Yes, I tend to agree with that. However, what's more important than the $1 billion being explored in this case is the legitimacy that it lends this system. It's still a major institutional organization. If they're taking cryptocurrency seriously, mark my words, they won't be the last ones to do it. They won't be the last ones to make that kind of a move. So, speaking in an interview with Financial Times, Bin Ren, the chief executive of Elmwood Asset Management, said that his firm is working on a platform that would assign institutional investors diverse, vetted crypto portfolios. The goal, Ren noted, is to ensure that institutional investors don't lose capital in questionable vehicles and funds. In the CEO's own words, quote, losing traditional assets in the real world is hard. In the digital world, it's very easy to lose assets. Put in the wrong address for a Bitcoin transfer and it's gone forever. Mike Novogratz also weighed in, and he said that the fresh institutional inflows will be a boon for the price of Bitcoin. He said, quote, I'm not selling the next time we hit 14,000. The second time we reach that level, there may be a move to 20,000. I don't expect this to happen in the next few weeks. I don't expect it to the middle or the end of the fourth quarter. But the next wave will come when the institutions, the state of X, Texas teachers unions, and those guys come in, and then you will see Bitcoin hit $20,000 and higher. Speaking of higher prices, we're taking a look now at our friends over at Enjin. Their project ENJ is up nearly 14% over the last 24 hours, sitting at $0.07989, otherwise known as about 7.9 cents. So just under 8 cents. And here on altcoinbuzz.io, Enjin is soaring, and we know why. With this article by Deepika, Enjin is once again in the limelight. The coin's price has soared, and Altcoin Buzz explores the reasons behind it. So as far as we can tell, a series of interrelated events have made this price pump happen, and one of the potential contributors is Caleb Applegate, who has taken up the leadership role over at Enjin Coin. Caleb is the co-owner of the world's largest Minecraft gaming server, Mineplex. Despite assuming a new role, he remains part of Mineplex, concurrently acting as Enjin's chief operating officer, so their COO. He brings over a decade of operational and consulting experience to Enjin from the gaming and entertainment industry. According to reports, Caleb's leadership aims to bring in laser-sharp focus and leading innovation. For one of the most exciting projects that's trying to make inroads into the blockchain gaming industry, it seems that this is just a perfect match made in heaven as far as Caleb's involvement coming from the world of Minecraft, coming from the world of gaming. We've touched on it before, but blockchain gaming is going to be above and beyond the world of cryptocurrency. Blockchain gaming is really going to be an exponentially interesting space to watch as far as growth goes. So kudos to our friends over at Enjin Coin. That is awesome. It's also being covered here, of course, on Twitter, Coinspace News at Coinspace_news. Caleb Applegate, the co-owner of Mineplex, has joined the company as its COO. Mineplex is an official partner of Minecraft and one of the largest servers worldwide. And going over to that article on Coinspace.com, Enjin welcomes co-owner of leading Minecraft server as COO. So Enjin, the Singapore-based blockchain ecosystem developer and gaming community platform, has a new chief operating officer on board. This announcement was made just a couple of days ago on August 31st. So speaking about his new role as Enjin's COO, Applegate said, quote, "I'm thrilled to join the Enjin team in the capacity of chief operating officer. As we continue to move forward with the advancement of the Enjin ecosystem, our team's ingenuity, innovation, and focus have become a strong basis from which we are pursuing many exciting opportunities. It's an amazing time to be a part of such a strong, pioneering company." And we have some other news from our friends over at crypto.com now. On Twitter at crypto.com, we have achieved PCI DSS 3.2.1 level 1 certification. Crypto.com is the first cryptocurrency company in the world to achieve ISO 27001 and PCI DSS level 1 compliance. Full details are available on blog.crypto.com. Now, if you don't quite know what that means, maybe it sounds like gibberish to you, but it's really important, believe me. MCO, or crypto.com as we refer to them, is a payments platform, and so compliance and regulation is everything for them and everything in this space. Of course, them getting this certification is a very significant step, at least in our opinion. More information can be found about that achievement here. Again, blog.crypto.com. Crypto.com achieves PCI DSS 3.2.1 level 1 certification and is the first cryptocurrency company to achieve both that and ISO 27001. Read all about it right here. We did discuss the Telegram token, the upcoming GRAM project that's basically trying to get a head start on Libra. So not to get into this article necessarily today, but if you want to take a look at what Ethereum has put out here, the Cryptic Mr. Durov. It's an interesting piece that relates to what we've been discussing. So I just wanted to point you in that direction here before we sign off. But that's been about everything for the news today, everybody. So do be sure you are following us on all the regular social media channels, of course, and keep checking back into altcoinbuzz.io for all the latest. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications if you enjoyed this video. All the very best of luck if you choose to invest on this Labor Day. Have a great one if you have the day off. Let us know how you're spending it in the comments below. But enjoy it, everybody. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.